Guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be all on my spring Fabfitfun unboxing. I am partnered up with Fabfitfun. I just want to throw that out there. I get a box sent to me every season, and if you guys are not familiar what Fabfitfun is, it is a seasonal subscription box that you pay $49.99 for, but I do have a coupon code, and I will put it right here, and you can get $10 off your first box. So it'll be $39.99 if you use my code. So I just wanted to throw that out there. I'm out of breath right now. This month's box is over $300 worth in value, and you're paying $39.99 for it, which is a steal. This box is filled with a lot of goodies, including fashion, beauty, wellness, all of that stuff. So if you guys are into stuff like that, I think that this would be the perfect box for you. It is like Christmas when it comes because it's a huge box full of full-size products and things from all different brands, which is what I really like about it. So every season, each box is at least worth over $200. So you are only paying, again, $39.99 with my coupon code, which is absolutely amazing. I think it's really cool because in boxes like this, you discover new brands that you may fall in love with. And I have several times where I see a product where I'm like, oh, what's this brand? And I absolutely fall in love with it. And then you kind of branch out into that brand. It kind of brings you to new things. I'm sick of seeing the same old stuff. Alright, so I will say that I opened this and I did try some of this stuff because I like to do that in my videos. But I will say that I threw away the catalog that it comes with. So each box that you get a catalog, and it has all of the products on there, how to use them, the pricing, but I did throw that away on accident. But I do have a list here that I'm going to be going off of like the pricing and stuff. So it says the total value of this box is between $347 and $354, depending on which item you get. So let's jump in. Alright, I have to talk about this candle first because, you guys, I'm obsessed. This is what it looks like. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous, and it goes with my background so good, so that's where it's going to live. But for now, I want to talk about the scent of it. This smells so good. I cannot explain what it smells like. It is a very strong, kind of clean scent. So if you're sensitive to smells, I don't know if this would bother you. This is by the brand Anderson Lily. It retails for $45, and I believe this is in the scent Manhattan Beach, and it literally smells, that's like a really great explanation for it. I can't describe it other than it smells like a really fresh, clean, like fresh laundry scent. But it does, I can see where they kind of came up with the name Manhattan Beach because it does kind of have that like beachy vibe as well. This is probably one of my all-time favorite scents ever. I'm definitely going to be purchasing from this brand again, and we'll see how it works lit. I haven't lit it yet because I don't want to light it because it's just so pretty. I did notice that when I left this here before I filmed the video, I left this here, and every time I come in this room I can smell the candle, and that's without it even being lit. So hopefully it's one of those candles that does linger, but that candle is probably one of my all-time favorite scents ever. So that is a huge thumbs up for me. The next thing in the box that I thought was so freaking cute is this. And this is a sleep eye mask, but what's really cool about it is there are gel pads in here that like give you a really nice kind of cooling feeling when you have it on. I have used this, and man, it is amazing. I really think that the cooling little eye things are just so relaxing. This would be absolutely amazing to take a bath with. I know that sounds really weird, but if you fill up your bath with like a bath bomb and you have like some soft like music playing or an audiobook and put this on, I feel like you would be in a dream. And this is by Free People, and this retails for $40. This is a vegan leather eye mask that has removable non-toxic cooling inserts to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. So I think that's awesome, and also this is adjustable right here, so you can adjust so it's not like too tight or anything, but this is so cool. I don't have anything like this, and I never really used these until I got this, and I really like the cooling iPads. The next thing I wanted to talk about, I obviously took them out of their packaging because I wanted to wear them and play around with them. These earrings are so freaking cute. They are definitely a statement piece, so if you're someone that doesn't like jewelry, obviously you probably wouldn't wear these, but if you're someone that loves big jewelry and you like to make a statement, these are definitely the earring for that. They retail for $58, which personally I think that's really, really pricey for an earring, but hopefully they are really good quality, and they're by the brand Etika. I think that's how you say it. And it says that these earrings are perfect to pair with a t-shirt and washed out jeans, which is probably how I would wear them, or with like a really pretty kind of black dress. They look so cute. These look really pretty when your hair is up, for example, because they really just stand out, and they are definitely a statement earring. And I think that it's great that you get jewelry in the box as well as candles and fashion and things like that. So really, really like these earrings. Are definitely not an everyday earring. I'm gonna save them for a special event for sure. All right, moving on. This might be my favorite thing in the box just because I love massages. I am always so sore after work because I'm standing all day and, you know, bending in the sink when I'm washing people's hair and stuff. My back starts to hurt. So this is perfect for that. This is the Physique 57 Massage Roller, and it retails for $20, which I think is a really reasonable price. I actually used this on my mom, and she really liked it. It looks kind of scary because of all these little spikes, but I promise you, you can't feel it. I had my sister use it on me, and it feels so nice. I like that the balls kind of like rotate. I really like this a lot. I'm definitely going to make my boyfriend use this on me. I did use it on my mom, like I said, and she really liked it. It's not too rough, which is what I look for. I don't want something that's going to really hurt. I just think this is great for wellness to get in the box because it's not all about fashion or the way you look. It's about how you feel, and I think this is something great to receive in the box. Alright, the next thing in the box is makeup, and this is by the brand Ish, and I believe this was partnered up with a girl here on YouTube. I think her name is Alex, and they partnered up and made this, and this is a lip statement palette. So this is what it looks like here. It comes with a little lip brush in here, which I definitely will use. And there are a ton of different shades. This is something that I'm going to put in my makeup case for when I do makeup for weddings and proms, because you have a variety of different colors here, and I think it's perfect for someone that's a makeup artist, or even if you like to play with makeup. I will say that they are very pigmented. This shade right here is more of a lip gloss, but this shade right here I swatched, and look at how pigmented that is. And it is so creamy. Look at that. So pigmented. I don't know how they wear. By the way, my hands are clean. I washed them. That is why I dipped into that. So they are clean. So don't worry about that. But these are really, really nice. They feel so creamy, and it's very pigmented. I wiped it on my hand and it's still on my finger. So this palette retails for $42, and it says, "Pucker up, ladies. This palette features intensely pigmented shades and one balm that will give your lips a beautiful pop of color, enriched with rose extract, shea butter, jojoba oil, olive oil, and aloe vera." And you can mix and match the colors, which is what I think is so cool. You can get like a little palette and kind of mix and match the colors and create your perfect shade, which I think is so amazing. That is why I'm going to put this in my makeup case, because I think it'll be perfect to top a liquid lipstick with, so that it's not like super drying. I think this is going to be great, and it does feel very, very pigmented and very creamy. So this I'm really excited about. Okay guys, up next we have this. This is the Kors Guava Body Butter. This is $24. As this body butter is enriched with shea butter and quince extract to soften, moisture, and rejuvenate the skin, while sunflower, almond, and avocado oils work to nourish and improve skin's elasticity and smoothness. I love this. I did use this a couple times, and it is so moisturizing. I cannot explain the scent of this. I can really smell the shea butter for sure. It smells like that shea butter scent, but it also has kind of like a fruity smell to it, but it's not like fruity. I don't know how to explain it, but this, you guys, is so moisturizing. If you have dry skin, you will live for this. I drench myself after the shower in this, and it's amazing. It's 93.9% natural content, which is amazing, and it feels so good. So this is definitely a hit in this box for sure. So even if you guys don't want to get this box, I would look into this line if you have really dry skin, because it is amazing. Alright, up next in the box we have this by Murad? I don't know how to pronounce that. And it's their Skin Perfecting Lotion. This retails for $40, and it says, "Skin Perfecting Lotion, yes please. This ultra light oil-free moisturizer helps blemish-prone skin stay smooth and healthy while also providing hydration. It also minimizes the appearance of pores," which Who wouldn't want that? Refines texture. Who wouldn't want that? And soothes redness and irritation. Who wouldn't want that? So I have yet to try this. I'm really excited. I wish I kind of tried this so I could talk about it, but I've been using another moisturizer that is fairly new to me that I've been loving. And so I have to give this a try, but it does say it's lightweight, oil-free, and it provides shine-free hydration. It says massage evenly over face, neck, and chest. And I'm really excited. So this does retail for $40, which is kind of pricey, but it is a pretty good size, and this brand is, I've heard, really good. So skincare is so important. Like, I have to say, when I was younger, I did not wash my face. I slept with makeup, which sometimes I still do that on accident, but actually more of laziness. But I'm trying so hard to take care of my skin because I'm not getting any younger. I'm gonna be 26 in August, which I still can't believe. I know I'm still young, but 26 seems so old to me. But I do think it's so important to get into skincare, even if you're just turning 20 or even if you're just 15. Like, it's so important to take care of your skin. You don't need to splurge on, you know, $200 moisturizers or anything like that, but I think it is important to, you know, spend your money wisely when it comes to skincare. I know some people can't afford, you know, pricey things, but do your research and try to find things that are going to work well on your skin. So I'm really excited to try this. Hopefully it does do a good job in, you know, keeping hydration, and it does say that it's supposed to eliminate pores, which we shall see about that. All right, the next thing in the box is this. This is by the brand Dermalect, and it's a makeover concealing ridge filler for your nails. And this retails for $18, and it says that it keeps your nails healthy, smooth, glossy with this filler. It multitasks by concealing nail imperfections with a natural pink hue while treating them with proteins, vitamins, and moisture, which this I'm not going to be able to really use on my nails because I do get my nails done, but I think this is something great to use on your toenails. Why does toenails, that word just really creeps me out. But this would be something great if you don't get your nails done and you like to paint them, you know, every so often. I think it's great to use something like this. You never think to use anything like this. And that's what's great about getting it in this box, is because you see stuff like this and it makes you like want to try it because it's something new and different. So this is something I'm definitely going to keep at my house. I probably will get rid of nails and kind of give my nails a break sometime soon. So I'm definitely going to keep this for when I do that. But if you're a nail lover and you like to give yourself manicures at home, this is something great to have. So the last thing in the box is this, and this retails for $60, which is so pricey. And this is the Rachel Pally reversible clutch. And so there's a choice of 3 different colors that you can get, and this is the one that I got. And I'm not gonna lie, wish I would have gotten the other one, which is like a kind of, I don't know if you guys will be able to see that right here. It's like a pinky blue. I wish I got that one instead, but it says that it's reversible and it's 2 clutches in one. I think when it says it's 2 clutches in one, it means that you can like turn it this way and use it like this as a clutch, or you can turn it this way and use it like a clutch. But I feel like this is so much like extra space. I don't know how I feel about this. I think this is a great concept, but I don't know how much I'm going to use it. For someone that loves like bags and stuff, I feel like this is something great to get in the bag if you're definitely a bag lover. That was everything in the box, you guys. I think that this was a really, really nice box. I definitely really, really like this. I am a makeup lover, so of course I'm gonna lean towards this, but this is great. I love this moisturizer so much. I'm excited to try this face cream. This eye mask is awesome, 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 and this is probably one of my favorite things in the box because I'm just someone that loves getting massages or getting my hair played with. That is just something that like really calms me down. So this is something great to have. Don't forget, guys, that if you want to get this box, you can use my coupon code for $10 off your first box, and it will only be $39.99. Do you guys see how much stuff you're getting for $39.99? It's absolutely amazing. It's a steal. You literally cannot beat it. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!